Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another subscription for you and it is Jarmabox, but it's a little bit different. They have stopped their monthly subscriptions and they've just brought out their brand new season subscription, and this is their very first box, the summer box. And they kindly sent it to me so I can show you and tell you all about it. You'll find all links related to this box and their website and the discount code which they've kindly given me, which will entitle you to receive a Rodial product. I'll list all the different products down below in my description as well as the code. So underneath you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and all the information you'll ever need will be listed down there. There were many reasons why they decided to switch from a monthly to a seasonal subscription, but a lot of it came down to environmental factors, carbon footprint, and also the overall need for having 12 pairs of pyjamas a year. So they decided to go seasonally. So the cost of the box is £55 and their summer box has a value of £175. There's free shipping within UK mainland, Scotland, England and Wales, and there's £2 shipping for Northern Ireland and the Highlands and Islands. So inside you'll receive one pair of luxury pyjamas, and you can state what size you want, from a UK size 6 to a UK size 22. They do say that if you are between sizes or you prefer a more relaxed fit, then go up a size. Plus you'll receive 8 high-end beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, body care, and all things beauty basically. So you'll be billed on the 1st of June, 1st of September, 1st of December and 1st of March. They've also introduced a reward system as well. Inside the box you will find a QR code. If you were to scan that, that'll bring up information about your rewards, but essentially you will get the chance to review a minimum of 10 different beauty products with every season, and each review is worth 50p. So essentially you could build them up in order to receive a box for free, for instance. Or they also have products on their website and beauty bundles which you're able to purchase, so you could use your rewards that way as well. So it's completely up to you. And every season they'll be bringing out a giveaway. That's all you have to do is post up a review or a picture with your Jarmabox or your pyjamas. Make sure you add hashtag Jarmabox to be automatically entered into a giveaway to win a free box or a free PJ package or something similar to that. They used to use Hermes, which has now changed to Every, but from this box onwards they have switched to Royal Mail, which I know a few of you will be happy about. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, as I mentioned at the start, they have kindly given me a code. It's not affiliated, I'm not giving anything for it, but you are welcome to use it because it'll entitle you to receive a free Rodial product in your box. You'll either receive a 15ml Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel, Retinol Resurfacing Pads, 20 of them, Vitamin C Enzyme Papaya Scrub, 20 mils, Vitamin C Brightening Mask, 20 mils, or a Diamond Cleansing Balm, 20 mils, and they have told me that they've added one in the box, so I'm able to share with you. So I think that's it as far as information is concerned. If you want to learn any more about the subscription, then check out the link to the website down in my description. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. It's really, really heavy, and they've had to put some tape there to keep the lid down because it's jam-packed. Got a little card and it's got the QR codes there. The first QR code is a digital insert. Scan to view the season's digital insert and learn more about the products within your box. And the one underneath is the Jarmabox rewards, so you can learn how to start reviewing and collecting your points. Now I've already had a sneak peek and I really, really wish I had waited until I shown you, because I was literally shouting when I saw this. Oh my gosh, look at it. It is jam-packed. Jam-packed. Look at the Ritual products in there, and Luminaire. Any of you that have followed me on YouTube for the longest time will know I'm obsessed with those two brands. I absolutely love them, especially the Nordic Sea range from Luminaire and the Ritual of Jing, which is gorgeous. Oh gosh, we've got Pixi, we've got Living Proof, we've got Aromatherapy Associates. It is jam-packed, isn't it? I really wish I saved my excitement to share with you. But yeah, it is a really, really great box. So let's get on to showing you exactly what's inside one by one. Okay, starting off then with a product I love. This is Luminaire Valo Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream with Vitamin C and Arctic Cloudberry for all skin types. There's 50 mils here. All products made in Finland. And the Nordic Sea is my favourite. It's just gorgeous. Day moisturiser is stunning. The Glow moisturiser, oh, it's just beautiful. Eye creams, toners. Oh my gosh, I've tried loads of products over the years from this brand, and yeah, it's not super well known, I'd say. Not really. You don't hear a lot about it. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save that. Yeah. I don't want to take the seal off. I'm going to save it until I finish what I'm already using. High performance Nordic beauty for a better future. It contains hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, B3 and E, and wild Arctic cloudberry. So you've got an overnight moisturiser there, or sleeping cream. Then we've got a Pixi Skin Treats Botanical Collagen Tonic. It contains collagen and peptides, a volumizing toner, and there's 100 mils here. I haven't tried this one. I love the glycolic one and the retinol, but I have not tried the collagen one before, so that is new for me. Botanical collagen and peptides help promote a youthful looking complexion. Coconut water adds hydration, while sea salt helps remineralize skin. Alcohol free, great for all skin types, used daily after cleansing. So there's that. Next up, whoop, I can't hold them. They want to slip out my hands. We've got a duo from Living Proof. We've got a shampoo and conditioner, and this is for frizzy hair. They're both 60 mils there. And it says, start with your no frizz shampoo, then apply no frizz conditioner. And yeah, it doesn't really say much about it there, but you can learn more about the products from the QR code. Next, we got a rose face mask, and this is from Aromatherapy Associates, London. This is hydrating, so moisturising and renewing. And there's 100 mils there. Ooh, it's not wanting to focus. There, can you see? 100 mils here. A deeply hydrated mask to restore vital moisture to dry skin. Aloe vera and sodium hyaluronate, renowned for their hydrating properties, are combined with rose water distilled from Bulgarian roses in a cooling transparent mask to bring radiance and vitality to dry complexions. And then it just says, apply to the face and neck after exfoliation, leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. And if you have extra dry skin, you can leave it on your skin overnight. And you can do so up to, I think it says 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times per week if you want to do it overnight. Next, we've got a Vivu. What is this? Your body's voice. At-home urine test strips for nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your body's needs. Oh, I love stuff like this. I love testing myself. Download the Vivu app for free and let the journey begin. Vivu helps you track your hydration levels, pH, ketones, and much more. If you want more, there's a 30% off code, JARMA30. Got little urine testing strips. I love stuff like this. Completely random, but I love it. I am your body's voice. Your body constantly tries to say something. No, not pizza. It can be, you need to drink more water, or how about running this morning for 20 minutes and preparing quick oatmeal for breakfast, or I'm so lucky to have you. You can think of me as an assistant that helps you find out what your body needs. I can't wait to see what we will discover together. If you are ready, so am I. To download the app, urinate on all boxes of the strips, but no more than a few seconds. Wait 2 minutes for the strip to be activated. Tap the test icon in the app to take a photo of your strip and receive your advice. I cannot wait to try this. I have never heard of this before. Never had anything like this in a beauty box before, but I love it. Next, we've got some chocolate. Cocoa bar, if I've said that right. Each drink loved chocolate, sea salt and caramel chocolate. A little slab there. I'll have that with my cup of tea after. Oh, gorgeous. Then we've got some Rituals products. This is the Ritual of Jing. Jing is relaxing, so you will find sleep sprays, relaxing body lotions. What have we got here? Shower gels. Got a shower gel. It contains sacred wood and lavender, and it's to help you with sleep and relaxation at night. And there's 200 mils here. Really, really lovely product. And then, I I got Reed Diffuser, Ritual of Jing, State of Serenity Fragrance Sticks, Sacred Lotus and Jujube, and there's 70 mils here. These are so gorgeous. Recently, Rituals brought out a summer advent calendar. You might have seen it if you've seen my video. I did an unboxing, and Rituals always have deals on their website which are great. If you buy something, you can have a freebie. Well, my freebie was one of these, but it's the Ritual of Sakura, which is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Why am I sniffing these? Oh, it's so nice. A little bottle there, and you put them in. Give them a little wiggle now and again every few days. Really happy with that. Then I've got 2 Rodial products. So maybe one of them you will receive in the box anyway, and the other one is a freebie if you use my code. I'm not too sure, nothing is mentioned in there, but if you go onto their website you will see a list of all the products that are featured in the box, and I can't remember now, but you'll see it there. So I got 2 Rodial products. This is lovely. I've got this already. This is the Dragon Blood. This is a cleansing water, 100 mils there, a nice size. Dragon's Blood comforts and restores through skin hydration. Rose water cleanses and refreshes skin. Vitamin B3 helps brighten skin. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration. Travel-friendly, no-spill package, and ideal for travellers and MUAs. And it's got one of those pressed down things. Mine's gone blank, you know what I mean. So there's that. Then we've got some Retinol Resurfacing Pads, and there's 20 pads in there, so it's a little mini size. I haven't tried these before. So those are all the products inside this box, and what is left? Some pyjamas. These are beautiful. I love the design. Absolutely love them. They are like a salmon pink with like leaves and monkeys on them. They are beautiful. I will try them on. I'll bring my camera with me and I will try them on to show you what they look like on me. I've gone for an extra large, which is probably an 18. I am a 16 to an 18, so I think that, oh my gosh, they feel really soft. They feel really soft. The short sleeves. You've got a collar there. And is there buttons? Yeah. You'll have a proper look now when I try it on. But there's buttons all the way down there. Oh, I like that. What are the bottoms like then? Have we got, yeah, we got shorts. Oh, these are so cute. Got a tie waist. You can see there. Look. They are really lovely. I love the detail in here as well. On the edges, the bands. They're really pretty, aren't they? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so I'll try them on and I will come back to you. I absolutely love them. A little pocket there. They feel so soft. Really nice. Really nice. Love these shorts. They go up at the sides. Yeah, they're really nice. And they drawstring. I've lost about a stone since I last received a pair of pyjamas, so I'm probably more a 16 maybe, but I prefer this look than a tighter look. I've just tucked a bit in there, but this is how long they are. I'm 5'9", so if you're a lot shorter than me, it could double up as a night shirt. I've just undone the button down there just so I could tuck it in. But plenty of room, and the waist is really comfy. It's adjustable so you can tie it as tight as you want, but yeah, I really like it. I think they are gorgeous, really nice and soft, so thank you Jarmabox. So those are all the products in the very first Jarmabox seasonal box, this summer box. It costs £55 and it is absolutely wonderful. It is jam-packed full of products. The pyjamas feel and look luxurious. Really pretty. I love them. And I'm so grateful for the Jarmabox for reaching out to me, asking if I'd be interested in collaborating with them on this first box. But I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of the contents? What do you think of the pyjamas, the design. What do you think of the changeover from a monthly subscription to a seasonal subscription? Are you excited? And are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.